Okay, so compatibility. We are almost at the end of this course. We've gone through a lot of things, right? What we are going to do here is try and understand which number is compatible with what. And now I've sort of developed a simple process for this for you to remember which number is going to be compatible with which other number, right? And that I'll show you now. But before that, you already know the one map that I've been sharing with you from the beginning of this course. Take a picture of this, have a printout, let me know if you need these slides and give it to you. Remember these as the one map. It's always going to remain same, right? 1 is independence, 3 is creativity, 5 is freedom. Always goes together, 1, 3 and 5. 2 is sensitivity, cooperation, 4 is hard work, and 6 is responsibility, and 8 is power, ambition. So always go together, right? And then you have 7 and 9 going together. There's analysis, spirituality. 7 is Shah Rukh Khan, analysis, deep thinker. 9 is compassion and completion. So, going further, and we've also gone through this entire map. You can just remember this map. Madonna is not the correct personality for number 2, but you can still remember it as Madonna is not the correct personality for life path number 2. So that way, you'll be able to remember these things, right? So what we've done is we've divided these numbers 1 to 9 into 3 clusters. The first cluster is freedom and expression. 1, 3 and 5. 1 is independence, 3 is creativity, and 5 is change or movement, right? So all these 3 things, let's call it as fire for now, right? The fire trio. 1, 3 and 5 always go well with each other. They all value freedom, ideas and expression. So we say 1 plus 5 is independence plus change is an adventurous pair. I like to be independent and I also like change, so I'm an adventurous person. 3 plus 5. 3 is creative, 5 is somebody who likes change. They are fun and they're always expressive because they like to change, like change. Right? So our first cluster involves 1, 3 and 5. Our second cluster involves 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, the earth square. So the first is a fire trio. Right? 1, 3, 5. Then we have 2, 4, 6, 8 as the earth square. That is the earth. They have 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8 bond well amongst themselves. Right? 4 plus 6 is an ideal marriage pairing. 2 plus 6 is emotional balance. So if you go through the one map and then combine these 2 digits, you will find that they go together. So cluster 2 is earth and it's 2, 4, 6 and 8 and they always go together. Cluster 3 is depth plus humanity. That is 7 and 8. 7 is somebody like Shah Rukh Khan. 9 is somebody like, I keep forgetting 9, I need to check this back. Let's say 9 is Mahatma Gandhi and Mukesh Ambani, right? So the Shah Rukh Khan and Mahatma Gandhi, they're deep and humanitarian, right? They're deep thinkers and humanitarians. So these 2, we will put them as the water pair. 7 and 9 is a water pair, right? So in total, what do we have? We have fire trio 1, 3, 5. We have earth square 2, 4, 6, 8. And we have water, which is 7 and 9. 7, 9 go along together because a deep thinker will always do good as a humanitarian. Right? So now the golden memory rule. You have fire, you have earth, and you have water. So fire and fire will always do good, right? Same species. Similarly, water plus water will always do good. Similarly, earth plus earth will always do good. But also, fire plus water will always do good. Right? Fire plus water will always do good. Similarly, fire plus earth is always a conflict. So fire will do good with fire and water, but clashes with earth. Fire does not do well with earth. In this case, fire does well with water, fire does not do well with earth, right? Then you have Earth plus water is often a mismatch. Earth 2468 gets along with Earth, clashes with fire, sometimes neutral with water. Right? It's often a mismatch. So it clashes with fire also, it does not go here also. Then you have water. Water gets along with water, and obviously water gets along with fire. So you have water plus fire would do good, right? Fire plus water is doing good, but water plus earth does not do good, which is an often also a mismatch. So this is a very simple way of saying which number is compatible with which number. Now you have so many numbers. You have life path number, you have birthday number, and you have an attitude number, and you have so many numbers around the car. The paint is a number, the personality has a number. So many things are there, right? Now you start comparing each number. If you want to find compatibility between two people, then you need to at least use 2 to 3 different numbers, include the life path number, include a couple of other numbers, find compatibility, try to create a complete profile, and only then have an answer for a client. Without that, do not give out an answer, right? Now, it's just a matter of how we are going to analyze it, right? Find the numbers, analyze the compatibility, or just use the link that I shared. I'm going to add all of these values there, right? So you can just enter the birth date and you get an answer for everything. And you can just use your memory map to find and interpret it. That's all you need. Okay. So let's look at what a personal year and a personal month and a personal day is in the next chapter.